Okay, one more physical quantity, velocity. Velocity means rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement. Displacement means already we know. It's the shortest path between initial and final position, or we can say a distance in a particular direction, in a fixed direction. So then velocity is depends upon displacement. Okay, then velocity can write. Velocity is a vector quantity. That's why I am giving the direction also. Equals to displacement by time taken. Okay, displacement by time taken. What is the unit of this then? Unit. As we know, displacement you are measuring in terms of meters and time you are measuring in terms of seconds. That's why meter by second. Good. As velocity depends upon the displacement, as the displacement is a vector quantity, velocity is also a vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Good. And two more important points here. Velocity may be 0, negative, and positive also. As it's a vector quantity, if displacement 0, then velocity 0 possible. So that's why velocity may be 0, negative, and positive also. Uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means when a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time in a specific direction. In a specific direction. As we discussed, speed with a specific direction is called velocity. That's why what is uniform velocity means? Body should cover equal distances in a particular direction in equal interval of time. Then we will call as a uniform velocity. Take example here. Object initially at reference here with the 2 seconds of time, the displacement it displaced to the 4 meters. Within the 3 seconds it displaced to the 8 meters. In these conditions, if you are finding the velocity, velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity, it should have the particular direction. You can see here the object is moving always in a particular direction towards east. Okay, then what is the velocity here? Velocity means change in displacement by change in interval of time. Then what is the change in displacement here? 4 minus 0, 4 meters by 2 minus 0. So that means 4 meter by second. In this interval also you will get 4 by 2, and in this interval also you will get 4 by 2. That means 2 meter by second, and here also 2 meter by second, and here also 2 meter per second. That means you got the constant velocity. How it is possible? Because object covered equal displacements in equal interval of time. That's why the motion of a object in this condition, the velocity of the object you can call as a uniform velocity. To be a uniform velocity, the object should obey two conditions. One is it should have constant speed or magnitude. Next, specific direction. To be in a uniform velocity, object should follow these two conditions. It should have constant speed, that means magnitude should be constant, and one more thing, should have specific direction. That means direction should not change. Take an example. Object is moving in a straight line. Object is moving in a straight line with 20 meter per second towards east. In this case, we can say that object is continuing its motion with 20 meter per second towards east. That's why here we can say object is having uniform velocity. Take one more example. The object is moving in this part. This is the object. Initially, object is moving with 20 meter per second up to here, and then it has taken the turn. Now the object is moving in this direction. Now object is moving in this direction. But remember that in this case, the quantity of motion, that is 20 meter per second, is constant. 20 meter per second is constant. Is the direction is constant here? Verify once. No. Why? Means initially object is moving in this direction but at this position object is having the direction in this way, and here the direction of the velocity is this. That means here the direction of motion is not constant. Even though the magnitude is constant, 20 meter per second, that magnitude is constant, but the direction is not constant. That's why this object is not having uniform velocity. To be as a uniform velocity, compulsory it should have constant speed, that means magnitude should be constant, and the direction also should be constant. There won't be any change in the direction. That's why only in this case object is not in a uniform velocity. Non-uniform velocity. Non-uniform velocity. When a body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time in a specific direction. That means the displacement of a body is not equal to the intervals of time, equal interval of time. Then we will call it a non-uniform velocity. We can also call as a variable velocity also. Variable velocity or non-uniform velocity. That means displacement may be different with respect to the time intervals. Next, one more is average velocity. Average velocity means the total displacement of a body to the total time taken. Total displacement of a body to the total time taken is called as a average velocity. Here, as velocity is a vector quantity, you need to consider the direction also. There is a particular importance to the direction also. Already we observed in before case, like even though here also even the object is moving in a constant speed, with a constant speed like a 20 meter per second, if its direction changes, then we need to consider as a non-uniform motion, because its direction is changing, not only the magnitude. If direction changes also, you need to consider that physical quantity is changing. That's why here non-uniform velocity means not only concerned to the magnitude, also need to consider the direction also.